question asks, what is the oxidation number, or O, capital N, of nitrogen in the following compounds? N2O6. And hopefully what you guys are noticing is that almost all of these questions look very familiar and very similar to questions that you've already done in the lecture outlines. That's where we're going with this. Since you've seen the lecture outlines, yeah, you should have seen that my process for doing oxidation numbers draws some lines and uses the fact that oxygen in compounds is always -2. From there, since the oxidation number of each oxygen is -2, and there are 6 of them, something that I like to call, and this is totally made up by me, is total ox, or total oxidation, is -12 for this. There's no charge up here. Which is another way of saying that charge equals 0. And therefore, the sum of the oxidation numbers for the nitrogens and the oxygens must equal 0. So no charge. That means that the total oxidation here has to be +12. And since there are 2 nitrogens, and they must add up to +12, each one must be +6. And you can sort of imagine going around the clock here and ending up with, starting here and ending up with +6 for nitrogen. You can only enter in 6 here. I don't know what happens if you enter in +6. Probably it treats it just as 6. Ouch. Okay, so what I will say about this is that for this particular problem, I will go back and fix the questions. So this is, because something's up. That was O218. So problems with oxidation numbers. I apologize for that. I'll go through and root out all the problem ones and fix them.